Hello friends, welcome again to Queen's Kitchen. Today's recipe is very special to me because this is my mom's recipe, and this is called carrot, turnip and cauliflower salad or pickle. Very simple to make, and we always used to make it in the winter time because these were the vegetables which were quite common in that time of the year. But nowadays it is available 12 months a year, so you can make it anytime you like. Very simple to make and very delicious at the same time. So let's go to the recipe and have a look and how do we make this pickle. And also we can preserve this for over a month in a refrigerator, and you can enjoy this once you make it for lots of days. So let's have a look, how do we make this pickle. For pickle we will take carrots, some turnips and cauliflower, and peel them off, and then we'll start chopping them in small pieces like this. And we'll peel the carrots as well, and then we will cut in a long pieces, as you can see. So it's like a salad, but it's also called pickle because you can preserve it for a long time. Now as you can see, everything has been chopped. Now in a boiling water I'm adding some salt. I've taken a big pan to boil water. Followed by some turmeric powder, which will just give a good color to all the vegetables which we are adding to it. And we will start adding vegetables into the boiling water. So we don't have to overcook the vegetables. It's just kind of putting into boiling water and then draining water straight away. So in this way it will just, the crunchiness will remain same, but it will just get a bit tender, which we just want. So if you overcook now, it won't taste good. So just be mindful of that. We don't have to cook it for a long time. We're basically adding all the vegetables one by one to the boiling water, and then we will strain it straight away. Give it a little bit of stir, and as I said, now I'm draining water in a sieve, and our vegetables are nicely washed in a boiling water, as well as it's a bit tender, but the crunchiness has remained the same, which we don't really want for the pickles. Now we will just put it in a sun for 4 to 5 hours, cover it with a cloth. But if it's not sunny, you can always air fry the vegetables to evaporate the water. And for tempering, I'm taking ginger garlic. So I have taken full bulb of garlic and approximately 100 grams of ginger. So as I said, if it's not sunny outside, you can always dry the vegetables in the air fryer for 10 minutes, and then the water will evaporate. Then you can follow this same steps as I'm showing next. Now for the dry ingredients, I'm taking grinder in which I'm taking big cardamom, black big cardamom, 1 anise star, some green cardamoms, some cloves, black pepper pods, and some cumin seeds. Also in the last we're gonna add cinnamon stick, and then we will just make a powder of it. Don't make a very fine powder, we don't want that. Now in a pan for tempering, I'm taking mustard oil, which is half a cup, and in another pan I'm taking vinegar, with some jaggery, or you call it shakkar, but or you can also use the brown sugar, but jaggery gives the best flavor to it. And wait until it starts boiling, and in the meantime our oil has been heated properly, and I'm adding our ginger garlic, and then we will just cook it nicely until it is nicely brown, light brown in color. And our syrup is ready, vinegar jaggery syrup is ready almost. You can see that I've turned off the flame there, and now I'm just making tempering. I'm adding the powder which we just made, spice powder masala which we just made at home, followed by some paprika which gives nice color, followed by some ready-made garam masala, and then we will sieve our vinegar and jaggery syrup into the tempering and bring it to boil, as you can see. And now I'm adding crushed mustard, followed by salt to taste. I'm adding salt at last because after boiling vegetables the volume just goes down, so we have to be mindful we don't make it too salty. And now the last step is adding our boiled and dried vegetables basically. So as I said, ideal to dry it in a sun for 4 to 5 hours, but if it is not sunny outside you can also use air fryer. Technology plays a very important part and best role nowadays, so utilize it. Now stir it nicely, and you can see the color of our salad or pickle is really good, and it really tastes really good as well. At the same time you can eat it like this, or you can also eat it with rice, curries, puri bread, which I showed you last time in my video. So enjoy it and leave once you put it in an airtight container, which I'm doing right now. Just make sure you put it in a sun for another 2 to 3 days. With that, it helps to incorporate all the spices we added into the pickle, and after that you can also preserve it in a fridge for refrigerator for for a month or over a month, but it won't last that long. It's that yummy. So try this at home and let me know how you go, and I'm sure you're gonna love this recipe, and I'll see you again with some interesting recipe next week. Until then, stay tuned. Bye.